Hey guys, welcome back to Voice Bootcamp. This is Faisal Khan, Cisco collaboration instructor at voicebootcamp.com. In this video, we're going to talk about the overview of element view. Now, this is a rundown of all the elements that are available in CVP, but of course, we'll go in more depth of each one of the element individually. Now, Call Studio comes with some pre-built and fully tested building blocks known as the element. There are voice element, voice XML insert element, decision element, action element, and some program custom element designed by the developers. Now, these elements can be used at any given time. They are reusable, and you can customize them. You can provide parameters, values to take certain actions, etc. The element view, which contains the elements that are used to construct a voice application, and they are located in the element view. This pen can be seen as a palette of raw parts that you see in Cisco UCCX script editor. Now that can be drag and drop into the call flow editor while building your application. Now the element folder contains pre-built configurable element built by Cisco or third party. So you can purchase some third party element that are available, or you can build your own element and import it as a local element. The element folder, so the rest of the element that represent the element type with the unique features that are used to construct your voice application. Now the configurable elements are pre-built and elements that are designed for reusability. So in order to make element reusable, it must have a mechanism to modify its behavior according to the wishes of the application designer. Now this is done via the configuration. Now each element defines its own configuration, and that configuration is exposed to the designer through the element configuration window. Now there are three different types of element that we're going to discuss here: action element, decision element, and voice element. Action element are business logic that performs tasks which do not branch out the call flow. Whereas decision element is a logic that decide if certain conditions are met. Now, typically in a programming world, you have something called Boolean option, where the values are true or false. Well, decision element is like multiple true. It's possible one or more true, but one false. So it's similar to that same concept. Whereas the voice element is reusable. Voice XML produces